Hey guys, we haven't done a vlog in a while. We are, where is he? There he is. Look at that. We're off to Exclusive, which is our competition partner, and then we're also taking the Lambo for a very special reason, which we will not disclose yet. We're taking the RSQ8 and the Lambo, and we might be raffling them both. Skyline.
Smells like that.
It smells like head gasket.
It charges quicker if you put it the opposite way around.
Does it?
Yeah, honestly.
Should I try it?
Yeah. Might spark up a few times.
So today we've just come to the unit to move the Skyline, collect the Lambo, put the Skyline back right there, and we're going to Exclusive today to film our sort of promotional video with them being our new competition partner for Gravity Show, so we're going to be doing that. Then tomorrow we're dropping the Lambo off at a very special place, that is Liberty Walk, because that's where the Lambo's going for the next 2 months while it's having some work done. After Liberty Walk, we're then going to another partner of ours, which is Pipercross, to have a marketing meeting with them and their new marketing team. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting couple of days, and we're going to take you with us behind the scenes so you can see exactly what we do day to day kind of thing. So yeah, enjoy. The RSQ8 definitely needs a clean, that is not good.
So just after we left the unit, we headed over to Starbucks just so we could get a coffee before we head on our 3-hour journey to Leicestershire. But on the way to Starbucks, Jord and Dom actually ran into an issue with the Lamborghini and we broke down.
So the car's currently broken. So we're just going to get Starbucks and go from there. Dom's currently trying to call a couple garages, see if we can borrow a jack or something.
We tried to resolve the issue by calling up some local garages nearby, but unfortunately they had no spots available. So we had to take matters into our own hands and grab some tools and look under the car and jack it up and take the wheels off. Even though me and Dom are Mark 7 Golf specialists, we couldn't actually resolve the issue roadside. So we then had to call recovery transport to collect the Lamborghini from Starbucks to take it to the special location that you'll see later in the video.
I'll buy the Lambo off you. Broken, I'll give you 200 quid. That's more than scrap price.
Not good.
Not good. From cold. Bolton loose.
What up, motherfuckers? You good? How are you? You alright?
Are you okay?
Good to see you, man. TV star.
What's going on, G? How are you?
You good, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Hey, yo.
So we've just got to Exclusive. We are going to give the RSQ8 a quick wash down. Well, I've just jet washed it quickly, but Dom is now going to clean it. Dom and Lewis now sorting out the jet wash, and then yeah, going to give it a quick clean. Going to go inside, check out Exclusive, and do some cool shit.
Oh wait, come here a sec. It should be.
I've got a face for the sun.
I'll show maybe the first one.
It looks quite good white. Maybe we should wrap it white next. What do you think?
I'm actually a videographer.
Oh, we missed a letter. Don't worry, we got it. What do you reckon?
Oh, make sure it's level.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking for your help. There.
Yeah?
Here we go. Superstar DJ. Here we go.
He's not around here.
He's gone back home.
Speaking funny.
I don't think it's sticking in this top corner.
Oh, she's not sticky.
I don't think it's going to stick because of the quick detailer.
What have we cleaned the car with?
Quick detailer. Oh no, it's okay. It's not okay. Look how many little bits there are.
Oh, shit.
Oh no, it's all wet behind it. I can see the water. Look.
Oh, fuckery. Oh, no.
I've just detailed that.
Yeah. That's not sticky.
These stickers are not manufactured or sold by Slime UK or affiliated with us in any way.
What's going on, guys? So welcome to Exclusive. They are our new partner for Gravity Show Automotive. We're not going to raffle the RSQ8, but you can win cars just like this from Exclusive. Will, do you want to explain a little bit about what you do and who you are?
Might raffle it one day.
You might raffle it one day, yeah. When we're kind of moving on, you might be able to win it.
So we give away cars, anything from your dailies up to the supercars, from as cheap as like 25p a ticket and the low odds comps as well. So we just give people the chance to win the dream cars, cash, tech, loads of other prizes.
Cool, and things like the GT3 RS.
GT3 RS, and the RSQ8 we just
RSQ8, AMGs, Golf Rs, literally anything and everything from tech, like you say, to cash, to amazing cars. Changing lives, which is amazing.
We've had over 120,000 winners now.
And you got doggos.
It's increasing.
You can't win doggos. Can't win the doggos.
You can have this one though. Definitely have that one.
So Exclusive are the official raffle partners for Gravity Show. Make sure you get involved, buy as many tickets as you can and win something and change your life today. As you can see behind me, GT3 RS, RSQ8, AMGs everywhere. This place is amazing. Little golf in there. So we are here introducing our official new competition partner for Gravity Show. We've brought our RSQ8, which we may or may not be raffling at some point. And yeah, watch this.
Hey, watch this.
Watch this space. Watch this space. Watch this space. And also, watch this space. Watch this vlog. And this space. And this RSQ8. And this one over here. And watch this Dom. And watch this Doggos. And watch this mic. And watch this Gravity hoodie.
Watch this.
What's wrong?
Watch this.
I think he wants the mic. We're getting demiked. Mic'd and demiked 100 times a day when we're out filming. Dom wants to do some RS.
It's not even got an engine.
It's literally a sticker.
Well, it's just cemented the fact that I need to buy one. So the minute the house sorted next year, then.
You should have got that instead of the Huracan.
Dom agrees.
Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get a picture of this, and I'm going to post it, and then exactly.
Don't put a time on it, just say you'll get one.
No, I have to put time to 1.5 years to this day.
Come here then.
I'm picking it up.
18 months.
Solidified. Is your camera good, or is it?
What? It's the same iPhone.
I've got 15 Pro Max.
You want anything else?
No, I've got loads of photos, videos, vlogs,
Cool.
cameras,
Cool.
phones.
Cool.
Watch this.
Cool.
How much is a 911? Is this a 0.1?
At least 130k, I think so. 135ish, yeah. About that.
So
I've been looking every day.
what would you rather choose, a Huracan or a GT3 RS? What was it, 991? No, 911. Is it now 0.1, 0.2 Huracan?
That is a point. Was it 65 plate?
Yeah. Go on.
Point.
Porsche connoisseur. 0.2. I can't wait for you to be wrong and then you.
Oh, that's my dream car.
No, because there's a facelift, isn't there?
I really like the rear ends of the 992. These aren't like, the rear ends and this aren't like incredible.
Yeah, the
I think
992.
that is still one of the best looking cars.
Watch out.
So that's us done at Exclusive for today. Keep an eye on announcements and us working with them all year round in the lead up to Gravity Show. And then tomorrow we're headed somewhere very, very special for a big surprise. Keep an eye out.
I'd like to go to the hotel, please.
The Lambo made it to the performance company, ready for the big surprise tomorrow. Had to come on a trailer though, didn't it? Because it broke.
Now there's a famous person. I wanted to watch that as well, but I was out Easter egg hunting. This is a bonnet, probably front fenders, splitters, things, larger rear arches because they're full.
And the big spoiler, rear panel.
The big spoiler rear panel, centre bit, just not the blade.
The blade, not here yet.
No, that blade is going to be...
And is that straight from the Carbon Air?
Yeah, Carbon Air, yeah. And that's probably still going to be 3 weeks away. But it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's the
And
last
Colourcraft
bit.
were alright with wiring that all in and all that shit.
They said we'll have to
God, that's a big fucking car. Morning, we're in the hotel and we're just about to go to the spa for the morning. And then it's off to Liberty Walk and pipe across this afternoon for a couple meetings and some exciting stuff and a whole day of filming. All the shit from trying to fix the Lambo in there. Today's the day, exciting filming day. Right, Gwen?
You can park it next door for the moment.
Jimmy, has next door got a heat gun?
New nut. That's New Nut Nigel. And that's Oscar who breaks everything.
It does. It does?
It does. He just said it does. It does. We are in Liberty Walk, Europe for an exciting announcement. There's some stuff in a box behind me. Bet you can't tell what it is. Can you tell what it is yet? And we're just currently trying to take the PPF off the bonnet so we can do some fun stuff for filming the announcement. And Oscar broke the lights in here, so Jimmy's just trying to fix them because Oscar breaks everything he touches. We now have a middle light. Look how cool the little shop is. I'll give you a quick tour of the shop. So this is Liberty Walk Europe HQ. Gonna give you a little tour of the shop because it's really cool, little coffee shop. Now they've got a Liberty Walk card, do I get all the Liberty Walk merch for free? I think that I should. That's a definite thing.
Oh, that's cool. I like that one.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yes.
Yeah, I'd have 6 of those. One of those. And that's the Liberty Walk shop. Very cool place here. Jimmy's just gone to get a heat gun.
Living the dream.
You excited? You don't look it.
How many men does it take to unwrap a bonnet?
4 monkeys.
Oh God, we've got the lip. Do it.
Yeah, where are we going? Oh, that wasn't good.
Honestly, that's probably the worst job in the world. Oscar's filming.
Yeah, the last one I took off, it left all the glue. This is actually better than that.
Yeah, it's not left anything to be fair.
No, nothing.
Yeah, I think so. We both, well, I recommend literally everyone to you, so.
Well, just go nice to get
Yeah, and you want it. You want it to
Then
cut
it
in and
cuts
out.
out of him get standing up.
Yeah, and you want it to
done.
cut from me scratching to a Liberty Walk box.
Yeah.
I'm expecting a 3D letter in here.
I'd have it like this and I'd literally.
Oh, you think like that?
Oh yeah,
You think just
you're gonna have to
not
go.
not just like that.
No.
It's free.
Yeah, because you can get left, right, behind.
The first letter is an L, by the way, just so you know.
Can you imagine I just went B. Liberty Walk, fuck.
Yeah, go.
The first line went. Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh, I won't blow it away because that's.
Oh, fuck me.
How's that?
Oh, that's not nice.
How's that?
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Go.
Drop the keys, mate.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh, that's such a loud noise. So what's the spinny thing that attaches to a diff? That's what
A fan.
No.
Prop
Yeah,
Prop shaft.
yeah. What goes into the diff?
This.
Yeah.
Carbon prop and prop shaft.
Thank you so
Look
much.
at
That
this.
is cool.
Go from the back.
Jesus Christ.
We definitely need this bonnet.
Gotcha!
Did anyone get it on camera?
Oh, we all filmed the same thing over there.
It is carbon.
just thinking on the bonnet, if you wanted, they could do, forgot how it goes, but it's got like a vent, so we could do just an exposed carbon line or something. It's your rear hood. Front wing. So this is the full rear fender. What that is basically...
That's the underneath.
That is the replacement of what you've got there.
Andy, I'm coming for you.
I don't know what these are.
Alright, so we're just currently unboxing the Liberty Walk kit. Ready for some pictures and stuff.
Hello.
Some scratches, so we're just laying it all out now so you can see roughly what the kit's going to look like. Put them in there. It's going to be looking that's going to be the wheel's going to sit on here.
I'll hit it.
Smash the fucking hood.
I'm smashing it up already.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Nice. How many of these are there in the world? Do you know, Jimmy? Is there a specific number?
26.
No.
I know it's not that many. Couple in Europe.
Japan, there's a few. Maybe 8, 9. There's probably maybe 5 in the US.
He's currently just deciding the panels to paint because the carbon bonnet, you want to show that it's a carbon bonnet, but you don't want to just be full carbon apparently. Apparently it looks a bit chavvy, but I think it would look good. So they're all just deciding that now. I mean last minute, but they're deciding it, so.
Let's go. Fine, go on.
Yeah, Buddha. That's one with the light.
Well, it's quite comfy there, can't it?
It's alright. That is not bad.
Yes.
Kato, are you excited for the UK's first? Well, folks, you heard it here first. Back to you in the studio.
Fuck, that was my fault. You stopped and I thought that was it.
Oh!
What is he, Jimmy? He's a prick. Because you said our Lamborghini Huracan, does that mean technically it's mine?
No.
Yeah.
Right. You had it here first.
Back to you.
I have a Lamborghini.
You drive it, so it's technically yours. Anyone that drives it is shared.
Unlucky dickhead.
Yeah, it's unfortunate really, isn't it?
Insurance is a bitch when you're 12.
And have 14 points.
Yeah.
Can I sit there? Yeah, of course. Can I sit there? I don't know why that.
Oh, can I see it? Can I see it? Don't break it. Did I fucking break it? It's fucking hell, I'm so sorry.
So we have just left the Lamborghini with Liberty Walk. We're now come down to Colourcraft to discuss the build, the paint, the specifics of what we're doing, because Colourcraft are going to be building and painting the Liberty Walk Huracan for us, as they are the best in the business and the only people we would use to be building this car.